Welcome back to the schematic world. If you're into electronics, IoT or automation, then today's video is just for you. We're re-exploring the top 10 amazing ESP projects you can build in 2025, from smart home systems and weather stations to AI-based face detection and GPS tracking. So grab your ESP32 board and let's dive right in. At number 10, we have IoT Home Automation using ESP32 and Blynk. This project lets you control lights, fans, and appliances directly from your smartphone using the Blynk app. It's one of the most practical projects to start your IoT journey, combining mobile control, Wi-Fi, connectivity, and real-time feedback. Check the tutorial link below to build your own smart home system. Next up, a perfect mini project, ESP32 weather station, using the DHT2 to sensor and all display. It measures temperature and humidity and displays the data locally or uploads it to the cloud. This is a great project to learn sensor interfacing and data visualization with the ESP32. At number 8, here comes some robotics. With this Wi-Fi controlled robot car, you can drive your robot directly from your smartphone or laptop browser. It's an excellent way to learn motor control, wireless communication, and even add extra sensors like ultrasonic modules for obstacle detection. Number 7 is all about security. A smart door lock system using ESP32 and a 4x4 keypad. You can set a password to open the lock, and if you enter the wrong one, the system denies access. It's a simple yet powerful IoT security project for your home or office. At number 6, we've got the ESP32 web server dashboard. It lets you create a live monitoring web page hosted by the ESP32 itself, displaying sensor readings like temperature, light intensity, or motion detection in real time using gauges and charts. No external server required. Just open your browser and see live data. Number 5 is a super cool project, the ESP32 face detection system. This little board can stream live video, detect faces, and even recognize them using AI-based algorithms, all without an external computer. If you're into computer vision, this one's a must-try. We have IoT Smart Energy Meter. This project monitors voltage, current, and power consumption, using sensors and uploads the data to a cloud dashboard like Blynk or Things. You can track your energy usage in real time. A perfect project for IoT analytics and smart grid learning. Number 3 brings voice control into action. This voice-controlled home automation project lets you control devices using Google Assistant or Alexa. Just say, turn on the lights, and ESP32 instantly responds. It's a great blend of IoT, APIs, and voice recognition, and feels truly futuristic. We have the Smart Plant Monitoring System. It uses a soil moisture sensor in ESP32 to track plant health and automatically water your plants when the soil is dry. It's a fantastic project for home automation and sustainability lovers. And finally, at number 1, the GPS-based vehicle tracking system, using ESP32 and a GPS module. This project tracks your vehicle in real time and displays its live location on Google Maps. Perfect for IoT enthusiasts and beginners looking to learn GPS data processing and cloud mapping. And that's our list of the top 10 ESP32 projects for 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And of course, all project links are in the description below, so check them out and start building today. See you in the next video, stay creative, and keep experimenting with ESP.